We will discuss the plane table survey. The principle of the plane table is a parallelism. That means the ray do from the station to the object and the paper are parallel to the line from the from the station to the object and the ground. The relative position of the object on the ground are respected by their plotting position on the paper lie on the respective ray. It means this like a plane table, and this is the table, and we are plotting, we are attach the paper this surface, and we locate here is u frog and take the center. Then some far distance we are plotting a ranging rod or object. We are just see this portion and we are draw the line and take the dimension, then we cut the sheet. It means this line are parallel to the ground surface, that is called, it is the parallelism. The accessories of the plane table are alidate, plane table, spirit level, compass and u-frog. Alidate is a two type, is a plane alidate and telescopic alidate. We can see this type of the plane alidate and this is the telescopic alidate, and this is the compass. Okay, compass like this, and we are using the u-frog, and this like a u-frog. Okay, and then we study the method of plane table: radiation, intersection, traversing and resection. We will discuss all the method of traversing plane table. Then at first this is the plane table, and we are fixing a paper in this page, and we are using alidate this, and this surface is bevelage, and we are just put a pin in portion, just p point p pin, and we are doing this type of alidate, placing the alidate this type, and we draw a line. Then we take here from this portion distance, and we cut this distance a certain scale, and when we take the B point, we are placing a pin and doing the alidate this type, and we take the distance and cut the B point. Simultaneously we doing the B and C and D. This process is a radiation. Okay, and we are doing the intersection. Intersection is a method. Here is a point A and P. We are locating the P point. This is a river, that's why we cannot take the T portion. We just place alidate this portion and see the point P, and we take the table and fixed the station and B, and here we draw the ray from the B. This line both are cut a P point, and we get this is the P point. Okay, this process is known as intersection. And traversing means